Hello, my name is Susan Smelt and I work as a paintings conservator in the Rijksmuseum. I would like to tell you something about two paintings which have a special place in my heart. We've restored these paintings from October 2016 till March 2018. And during that restoration I saw Marten more than my own husband. You probably know about which paintings I'm talking. I'm talking about the portraits of Marten and Oopjen. Rembrandt painted these paintings in 1634, when he was only 28 years old. He just settled in Amsterdam. Marten and Oopjen were even younger. They were 22 and 23 years old when Rembrandt painted them. They just got married a year before. Rembrandt painted them full length and life size, a format which was normally reserved for the royalty and aristocracy in Europe. When you've seen these portraits in the Rijksmuseum, you know they're quite big and monumental, and you might easily forget to look at the details. But for me, the master and skill of Rembrandt can actually be found in these details. And I would like to zoom in with you on the collar of Marten. As you can see, he wears a white lace collar on top of his black costume. And you can see that the black costume is visible through the white lace. But then if we zoom in on the lace collar, you can see that Rembrandt painted it the other way around. He first painted it the white of the collar, and on top of that, with really quick and vivid brushstrokes, he painted the pattern of the lace. For me, this is such a beautiful detail, and I hope you love it as much as I do. You can really see that Rembrandt mastered the brush so good, it looks like he's writing with his brush. Before the restoration of the two portraits, we made an X-ray fluorescence scan of the paintings. Or to be more accurate, we made 9 scans per painting. And with this research technique, you can actually look through the visible surface of the painting. And it turned out that Rembrandt had a surprise for us. We discovered that Rembrandt changed the background of both paintings. Here you can see that Rembrandt painted an arch behind Marten and that Oopjen is depicted while she's stepping through a doorway. In the end, Rembrandt decided to cover up the background again with curtains. And now we can only guess for the reasons why he did that. From a distance, you might think that the stripes on his mantle are all the same. But when you look through the microscope, and now when we look at the detail photo of the mantle, you can see that Rembrandt painted every stripe differently. He added small dots, he added a line when the paint underneath it was still wet, so he blended it wet in wet. These details are really beautiful and they show the master and skill of Rembrandt.